Who else grew up on Fat Boys BBQ right here in Ocala like me? Well, have you heard that this iconic Ocala landmark was recently bought and renovated by some local guys, and they've made it better than ever. They're open 7 days a week and have an awesome array of dine-in or carry-out menu items. Let's take a look around and hear from one of the owners, my friend, Michael Carey.
Hey guys, Mike Carey with Fat Boys BBQ. My partners and I welcome each and every one of you to come in, enjoy the remastered barbecue that we're bringing back to Ocala, Florida. It's been a long journey for a lot of local Ocala residents with 50 plus years of enjoying the original Fat Boys, and we didn't want to see it go away. So earlier this year, we purchased the property and we brought back some amazing barbecue to the area, to Central Florida, and we look forward to each and every one of you coming in and enjoying it with us. If you can't make it in person, we've got to-go food that's readily available for curbside pickup. We're here to sponsor any event that you've got, whether it be a football event, whether it be a baby shower or wedding party, whatever it can be. Help us put together a menu and a package for you that can feed the family. So come and check us out. I hope to see the faces that have been coming here for the past 50 years, and I hope to see new faces because we've got some great barbecue. We've got a great atmosphere. We redid the building interior and exterior wise to help serve you guys and make it a fun, family, clean environment for everyone to enjoy. So thank you, and see you guys here soon.
We hope that you'll come try Fat Boys BBQ here on East Silver Springs Boulevard. Thank you for watching today, and please remember to like and subscribe to our True Luck Team account so that we can stay in touch with you. This is Laurie Ann with the True Luck Team at South State Next Generation Realty.